Knowledge justifies authority.
The KJ, a global channel.
Lighting up the world, one mind at a time.
Series 5.
The machinery of protection.
Episode 89.
The right to a remedy. How rights get repaired. Imagine you are wronged, your rights violated plainly and provably. Now imagine there is nowhere to go, no one to hear you, nothing that can be done. Your right existed, but what good was it if it could not be repaired?
Today we reach the beating heart of human rights in action. The right to an effective remedy. It is the least famous of the great rights and quietly the most important, because it is the right that makes all the others enforceable by the end. You will see why a right without a remedy is barely a right at all.
Start with what a remedy truly is. An effective remedy is not merely the existence of a courthouse somewhere. It is a genuine, timely, impartial, and enforceable response to a violation.
One that can repair the harm done, hold the wrongdoer accountable, and prevent the same wrong from happening again. And it must be reachable by everyone, not only those with money or connections. A remedy you cannot afford, cannot reach, or cannot trust is not a remedy. It is a closed door with a sign that says justice on it.
Now, what an effective remedy requires first? A competent and independent body to hear the claim. A court, tribunal, commission, or ombudsperson that is lawfully established, impartial, and free from the influence of the very power being challenged. An adjudicator who answers to the wrongdoer is no remedy at all.
Second, real repair. Not just a finding that harm occurred, but restitution, compensation, or correction, plus changes that stop recurrence.
And third, accessibility.
Simplified routes for the vulnerable, fast tracks for urgent harms, and help for those who cannot navigate the system alone.
Put together, this machinery is what turns a violated right back into a protected one.
See why? This is the linchpin.
Every other right in this series depends on it. The right to equality means nothing if a discriminated person has nowhere to bring their case. Freedom from arbitrary detention is empty if the detained cannot challenge it before an independent judge. The grandest list of rights is just literature until there is a working path to enforce each one.
This is why society serious about rights build remedies into every area of law and protect the independence of those who provide them. Because the remedy is where a right stops being a promise and starts being a power.
This matters because when rights cannot be redressed, two things rot at once.
The wronged lose faith in justice, learning that the law is for show. And the powerful learn that violations carry no cost. So impunity spreads. A society without effective remedies does not merely fail individuals.
It teaches everyone that rights are decorative and power is the only thing that is real. The remedy is what keeps that corrosion at bay. So today, find the handle.
Take one right you hold dear and ask,
if it were violated,
where exactly would I go? And could that body actually repair the harm?
Trace the real path, the court,
the commission, the complaint route,
and notice whether it is independent and reachable.
A right whose remedy you can name is a right you can truly use.
A right is only as real as its remedy.
Let us build the paths that make justice reachable for everyone.
Subscribe and design them with us.
This is KJ, a truth built. rights, legitimacy.